Hello and greetings from WOWswap team. Today we are so happy to present our protocol WOWswap built on Solana to the Solana Ignition Hackathon members and judges. So right now our demo is live on solana.wowswap.io and you can try out 5x leverage on Serum decentralized exchange. We are planning to support up to 30 and more tradable tokens, and let's see what's all about. So WowSwap is multi-chain one-click leverage swaps and lending protocol, and it works in a simple way. So users can open up to 5x long positions or short positions. So in case of a long position, if a user wants to open a position, he has one USDC and he needs to borrow 4 USDC from liquidity provider, who in turn can earn interest on his lent assets. So USDC is being swapped to a token on Serum DEX, and if a token goes up in value, a trader earns profit, and if it goes down, he or she gets liquidated. In case of a short position, a user has 100 USD used as collateral, and he borrows a token up to $500, and that token is being sold on Serum exchange. And if the token goes down in value, the trader makes a profit. So WowSwap has been running on EVM compatible blockchains for around 7 months, and our vision is very simple. We just want to become the most popular decentralized leverage trading platform for digital assets. And we are already live on 7 blockchains and OKX coming very soon. So it includes Ethereum, Binance, Polygon, Avalanche, Heco, IATX. And today we are launching our demo on Solana. So in total, around 70 tokens are supported. Our exchange has been introduced to Pangolin DEX traders on Avalanche with a link to WowSwap and to Memo DEX exchange users on IATX chain. So even though our TVL is still modest, we have been integrated in many DEXs like PancakeSwap, QuickSwap, Pangolin, SushiSwap, MDEX, Serum. So all these trades are being routed through these exchanges. We are very proud that one of our biggest innovations is not needing to deposit collateral before you make a like leverage swap. So we also launched leverage trading for fractionalized NFTs on Ethereum. So if you are curious how it works, I will not go into detail right now. You can try it on wowswap.io. We have also launched a decentralized on-chain governance and on-chain referral program on EVM compatible blockchains. So if you're curious, you should check out on wowswap.io as well. So our interface is very simple. We believe that our user interface is much better than our competitors. So how it works, let's check it out in practice. So this is what you see when you connect to solana.wowswap.io, and you can see that it looks similar to Uniswap interface. So user just chooses a token. In this case, it's USDT. I have like 116, and I believe Ethereum is gonna do very very well today. So I'll just open a long position on Ethereum. I'm just gonna put 10 USDT. And different from Uniswap, SushiSwap, or PancakeSwap, or any other DEX is that we have this slider. So if you move the slider, you can see instead of 0.00002 Ethereum, I can get 0.07. So great. So I believe it's going to go up Ethereum. So I just make a leverage swap position. I approve the transaction. I need to wait a bit before the balance changes. In the meantime, while the transaction is being done, even though Solana is very fast, I can show you how liquidity providers earn yield. So in this case, right now, you can see that USDT has been borrowed to open leverage position, and liquidity providers earn 54.7% API with only 8% utilization ratio. Currently, API is very high because normally leverage traders, they do not open positions for a very long time. So it's good news for liquidity providers. So let's check it back. So right now we have Ethereum, and I want to close position no SDT. So yes, I have 0.06 Ethereum in my balance. And if I close the position currently in minus, just because I didn't wait for too long for Ethereum to go up. So the swap value is 22.68 USDT, and I pay back the debt to liquidity providers plus interest, and I pay some protocol fee. So let's swipe it back. I click swipe back, and Solid wallet opens up. I approve the transaction, and in few seconds, the long position will be closed. So if you're curious how it works, just try it out, solana.wowswap.io. And I hope you have great time trading on WowSwap. Bye bye.